Easy homemade spicy chicken pulao recipe, affordable and delicious for beginners. Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel, our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have an exciting and mouth-watering recipe for you, homemade spicy chicken pulao. If you're a beginner in the kitchen or looking for an affordable yet delicious meal, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the ingredients and preparation, make sure to hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our fantastic recipes. Now, let's get started. 1. Introduction to chicken pulao. Chicken pulao is a one-pot wonder, combining the goodness of chicken and aromatic spices with fluffy rice. It's a perfect dish for any occasion, and today we're making it spicy for that extra kick. 2. Ingredients. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Don't worry, we've kept it simple and budget-friendly. 1. Chicken, 500 grams, choose bone-in pieces for added flavor. 2. Basmati rice, 2 cups, this long grain rice adds a fragrant touch to your pulao. 3. Onion, 2 large, thinly sliced, for sweetness and texture. 4. Tomatoes, 2 medium, chopped, provides a tangy flavor. 5. Green chilies, 2 to 3, finely chopped, adjust according to your spice preference. 6. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, adds a rich and savory taste. 7. Whole spices, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaves. 8. Ghee or cooking oil, 3 tablespoons, enhances the overall richness. 9. Fresh coriander and mint leaves, for that refreshing aroma. 10. Spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. 3. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Remember, cooking is an art, so don't be afraid to experiment with the proportions to suit your taste. 1. Marinate the chicken with salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes. 2. Rinse the basmati rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 20 minutes. 3. Heat ghee or oil in a large pot. Add the whole spices, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaves, for that aromatic base. 4. Sauté the sliced onions until golden brown. This will add sweetness and depth to our pulao. 5. Add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Cook until the raw smell disappears. 6. Toss in the marinated chicken and cook until it's browned on all sides. This step ensures that the chicken is infused with the spices. 7. Mix in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft and pulpy. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Stir gently to coat the rice with the flavorful mixture. 9. Add water in a 1:2 ratio to the rice, 2 cups rice, 4 cups water. Season with salt and bring it to a boil. 10. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer until the rice is cooked and the water is absorbed. 4. Flavor enhancement. Now, for the final touches that will take our spicy chicken pulao to the next level. 1. Sprinkle garam masala over the rice for that additional burst of flavor. 2. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. 3. Give it a gentle mix to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. 4. Serving. Our homemade spicy chicken pulao is ready. Serve it hot with a side of yogurt or raita for a perfect balance. This recipe is not only delicious but also budget-friendly, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a quick and satisfying meal. And there you have it, our homemade spicy chicken pulao, a delightful and affordable dish for all the food enthusiasts out there. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more exciting recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much spicy chicken pulao lovers.